Well, greetings viewers, welcome back to the shooting box shed. It's been a bit of a break over the Christmas period, but I'm going to get back to doing a few air rifle videos. As luck would have it, over the festive period I bought a few new rifle scopes, red dot scopes, and I'm going to try those on the different rifles that I've got and try and get them matched up as best I can. In previous videos you'll know the Umarex RP-5 here is a bit of a scattergun, and it's best for shooting over maybe 15 yards at some tin cans. And so rather than the telescopic sight that I had on initially, I want to try this red dot. It's a Kingsight sight from Amazon. My daughter's bought it for me. I'm really rather impressed. It's got various reticles to choose from, and you can illuminate those in red or green. And for a short manoeuvrable gun like this, it seems ideal. You know, when you're creeping around shooting terrorists, you want to bring the gun to bear on your targets pretty quickly, so you need a good field of view. So I've just plunked it on the gun and I'm going to zero it in this video. I'm not going to take any pictures of the target until afterwards, just to show you the process how it got there. So I'm just going to throw a few pellets in and tweak it up until it's right. I'm not going to use the 5-shot magazine again. Loaded up with a JSP ADs in 2.2. We've got an adjustment of the kind of sight. I prefer the large round one with a dot in the middle, and in the daytime I do in fact prefer it in green, so I had it up to maximum brightness for the benefit of the camera, but for my purposes in daylight it's perfectly usable. A medium setting on green. So just no idea what I've set up or not. Here we go. First shot. Oh, so it's not bad. So I'm shooting over 15 yards. It's gone about 2 inches low, about half an inch to the left. So give that a bit of tweak. So we want to go up. We'll go 10 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not very precise, but you get the idea. And then we want to go to the right. Not so much. We'll go 3 to the right. 2, 3. Hear that? Windage adjustment clicking. With the pellet, see how we go. We've gone probably 50% farther up than we needed to be, and it's gone about equally far over to the other side. So we'll go back left by a click or two. Hole, and we want to go down about 3, bring us back to somewhere close. Another pellet. As usual, we're not particularly bothered about the accuracy in elevation, because you know the range can always change that. I like to get it spot on from left to right. Windage. It dropped a little and went to the left. It's keep going down. 2 more clicks and we'll go left. Another 2 clicks. Fourth pellet. I was probably misled by the pressure in the CO2 being quite high. Should have shot a few before we started zeroing it, really. the other way back. I think. Keep going to the left. 3 clicks, it's still a little high. That's pretty much as close as I'm going to get it from left to right, and it's just got about ½ inch low, so we might give it a click back up. Very precise in the down direction. Let's go a little way. Give the attire, I'm working in the garden in between making this, so right, I think this is 6th shots, so. That's almost the ball. I think for shooting tin cans that's probably close enough. Shooting over 15 yards at a red dot that's only ½ an inch across, and I've just hit it. So with this gun, that's a fluke. Again, that's gone pretty tight in the centre, so I'm happy with that. So I look forward to spraying a few cans, strafing a few cans later with that, and maybe do a bit of a terrorist hunt in the garden and knock down a few bodies. I want to introduce my new gun, which I've had for a few months now, but not made a video about it yet. It's the ASG TAC repeater in 177 caliber. It's got a 12-shot rotary magazine, semi-auto, sort of blowback design, which recocks the gun. Obviously there's no slide, only an internal one, and it's got a nice chunky feel to it. My other daughter bought me this nice Amaki red dot, sort of a bit more optical than the other one obviously, but for this gun I think it looks more the part. It's got much of a chunky profile than the other one. So look out for a new video on the ASG TAC repeater as I zero this new red dot sight. I already know that telescopic sight again is not really appropriate for this gun. It's again more of a tin can gun. Accuracy really only effective over 15 to 20 yards, but fun also. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.